Hi, ever been to this beautiful picturesque hill station called Valparai? I now take you into one of the most scenic, picturesque and very welcoming homestays of Valparai. It's called the Waterfall Tea Estate. Nestled in the Annamalai Hills of the Valparai Taluk, Coimbatore district, this breathtaking estate that I'm just walking you into is one of the most beautiful homestays that I have ever been to. You're just walking into this estate and you'll see on the northern side of the estate the lovely plains of Pollachi. We are now at a height of 4,300 meters above mean sea level. Over there you see the plains of Pollachi, and beyond that it's Coimbatore. We're now entering the Indraprastha. The Waterfall Tea Estate has 3 pristine, lovely properties, and one of the best is where I'm taking you through. This is Indraprastha. And welcoming us here are these amazing, adorable peace lilies to symbolify a true heaven of peace. These evergreen lawns are so refreshing, trust me. They help one unwind completely. Surrounded all over by the tea estates, which you would just have a look at now. All one can feel here is peace, fresh air, and a lot of joy in the soul. So this is Indraprastha, and I'm taking you around property now. Indraprastha houses 3 amazing rooms. This is truly such a place of tranquility. Taking you around the garden. The sprinklers keep the lawns so fresh, serene. And I now take you around the golden lilies. Guests gather in the evening. Here is a bonfire evening. After hard life in the cities all around, guests come here to have their own moment of peace and solitude. We now go around the building, and here is called, what you see, the greenhouse and the fig trees. So beautiful, aren't they? Nature at her best. Look at the rose garden. That's really lovely, right? Beautiful colors, all shades, hues of roses. You look there. They're red, pink, orange, white, lavender. What a breathtaking view this is. Surrounded by the hills, the mist beginning to settle in, and you swing your worries away. You see this? Those are the hills one is surrounded by when you stay here. Gorgeous looking, majestic, and you can see the clouds slowly settling in. And these beautiful flowers that you see here are so amazingly fresh. They just sway in the winds, and one can't help but just feel serene and so peaceful here. At the base of this tree, you have a little park where children can play. You must come over to see what the Waterfall estate looks like. surrounded by hills and tea plantations on all sides. You can't but just feel peaceful, Leave behind your work, your worries of your daily life, and make it a point to visit this amazing estate. I'm walking into the estate bungalow, and I would like to show you how their living room looks. These are the rooms, and you'll also see what their drawing room looks like, with a very welcoming flower vase, the wonderful fireplace. That's the living room. This is common for all the guests. Built in typical British colonial style, this place is so elegant. That's one of the bedrooms for the guests, and I now walk you into the dining area. Look at that. Some amazing artifacts from the oceans. The crustaceans that you see here have all been brought in by guests, and the place looks so welcoming, inviting. You need to sample some of their finer delicacies here. Amazing South Indian and North Indian delicacies of India. It's so much a home away from home, and I can't tell you how much I've enjoyed being here around and showing this place to you. If you really like seeing this video, I think you should grab your itinerary and make a rush to this lovely waterfall estate. I truly hope you find the peace that I did. Enjoy your stay and keep coming.